Happy New Year. Well, I haven't been on this channel since the last time I got the Beautylish Jeffree Star Lucky Bag for 2025. So I just hopped on real quick. I'm not even set up, but the postman just dropped it at my door. It is the Beautylish $75 Jeffree Star box. Okay, and it was packed by Janet, and it has the Lucky Bag paper, but it has the Jeffree Star. It has the Jeffree Star seal. So I'm just gonna pull it out ever gently. Because it comes in a bundle. No way. Okay. Did I get my favorite palette? No, my second favorite palette. But I needed a new one, so. My favorite is Orgy. Either one, Orgy 1 or Orgy 2, doesn't matter. Let's get this box out of the way. I got the cremated palette. So it comes all nice. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for $75. So let me undo the bubble wrap. Maybe I can pull out one at a time. Usually if I get it from Jeffree Star, one of his mystery boxes, it doesn't come all nicely packed like this. So I did get some magic candy. Gotta put my glasses on because I can never read. Magic candy. Teddy bear snack. I really like these blushes. A little bit goes a long way. This is pretty pale. It's like a peachy color. Nice color for spring. Again, that is the Teddy Bear Smack. Sorry. I had just gotten over the shingles from November, and I still have a fatigue going on, so that's why I'm just like popping on. I'm not gonna get ready or anything. Ooh. Okay, so Velour Lip Liner Cotton Candy Queen. We will. That would go good with my Sugar Spike liquid velour lip color that I like. I didn't get the just regular Beautylish Lucky Bag because I'm allergic to like synthetic fragrances, so I do pretty well with Jeffree Star. Okay, so I got a Milky Liquid Lip Balm. Celebrity Skin. I have this color in other things. I wonder, did I get a lip balm this color? I don't know, let me see. I still have some in here. So this is Celebrity Skin. I have this one that I like. Okay. No. So, it's new for me. So we will... There you go. That's more like a nudie fall look. I don't wear a lot of that, but I do sometimes. Sorry. I know my chair is so low. I haven't figured out how to fix that. What is this? Oh, Beach Proof Mascara. I've never gotten one of these. Ooh, Cowgirl Riot. It's like looks like a purpley color. Yeah. Okay, so with brown eyes, purple is a good color to wear on the eyes. Perfect. And then I got a, oh my God. Okay, so perfect. I got a liquid velour. Sugar Spike. I got Sugar Spike. Did I not just mention that? This is like the color that I wear all the time. So perfect color to get. I'm not going to open it because well, I could because the other ones aren't open yet, actually. Because I have some in my makeup bag. I'll put it next to the lip liner. See, so that doesn't look bad at all, but yeah, I'll put this in my drawer. I'll start wearing it this week to work. So yeah, this is the color that I order all the time, Sugar Spike. I actually wear it, so it's not like some kind of, oh, why did I get that color? And then last but not least, the cremated palette. Stuff didn't get the bubble wrap open. There's like a little peephole to get it out. I'm sure all of you know what the cremated palette looks like. Okay. But I did need a new one, so that is good. Because I use the cremated. I like the Bloodlust and the Orgy. Orgy or the Orgy 2. Either way. A lot of nice colors. So, you know what? I'm really happy with this. There's only one product that I won't get a lot of use out of, and that would be the Celebrity Skin. But I can use it as a base for other things. So that's what I do with that type of deal. I'm going to put this back in the box. Take my glasses off. You're seeing reflection of a ring light that I don't have on, and my windows. But yeah, so I'm really happy with this haul. I have no makeup on today. I do need to start wearing makeup. Less is more at my age. So I'm just happy that I'm getting back in the groove this year, and what a good way to start with a nice Jeffree Star Lucky Bag. And I got all good products. Not a lot of products, but all products that I can wear. So it's always nice when it works out like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. I know I haven't been on for a while. Thumbs up and a like if you don't mind, because I am going to start posting on this channel more. Not so much makeup, but when I go to like take walks on the beach or go to Disneyland, and you know, it's Marianne Pops In, so it's whatever I'm popping in, right? I just have been like the last year and a half, I just haven't been with the program. So anyway, so I'm starting off with this video with my lucky bag, and yeah, I'm really happy with what I got. Thanks for watching.